Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. I do really appreciate you. Today we are making a delicious iced coffee. With only few ingredients, you can make this delicious iced coffee anytime. To start with, scoop about 2 teaspoons of coffee in a jar and then add your preferred quantity of sugar. Once you add the sugar, get some warm water and add a little bit, just like so, into your coffee and sugar and begin to stir. So you want to stir until all the coffee granules has dissolved and you have some foam forming on the top. It is perfect. It literally takes like 1 minute to achieve this. Now I'll go in for my chilled milk and then pour over. If you prefer less milk than this, then you want to add in some cold water first and then top it up with your milk. Now it is time to make it even more colder. Yes, so go in with your ice cubes and drop them in. I'm telling you, my dear, you would love this iced coffee. It is so delicious. You'll be amazed by the taste. Just take a look at how creamy this looks. It is so chilled and refreshing. You would absolutely love this. Make some and enjoy, my darling. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you very much. Bye bye.